Assalamualaikum 7th class, hope you are all fine. Subject Computer Science, Unit number 3, More on Word. In the previous lecture class, we have studied about a short introduction of MS Word 2010, and we have also learned about different views of a documents, that are print layout view, web layout view, draft view, full screen reading view and outline view. Today we are going to learn about print layout view, and it's on page number 51. Standard documents such as letters, reports and memos are often written and edited in print layout view. One advantage of working in this view is what a user sees is what he gets. Students, print layout view, which displays your document as it would look when printed, complete with margins, page breaks or other visual elements. This also provides us with a view of the document where we can see page breaks and other features, as well as the best character and paragraph formatting. As you can see, class, I have opened Microsoft Word window and I have written some paragraphs. It's on the Home tab. Now I'm going to click on the View tab, and I have to check this paragraph in the print layout view. You can see it's read mode, print layout, web layout, outline and draft. I have to check in the print layout view. I am going to click it. Now you can see it's the print layout. Now open page number 52, full screen reading view. This view is used to read or review a document. It can help simplify the task, is especially useful for proofing documents as well as reading objects that a user downloads or receives as email attachments. In this view, you can see your document on the whole screen. As you can see in the diagram highlighted on full screen reading view, this is the full screen reading. In order to control the full screen reading view, click on one page or two page option on Zoom group of View tab. To exit full screen reading view, click the close box and in the upper right corner of the screen or press escape key. As you can see in the diagram, in View tab, this is the zoom, one page, two page, page width. This is the zoom group of View tab. Now we will do it practically. As you can see, class, I have opened the View tab on the Microsoft Word. Now I want to read my document on full screen. Now this is the option of read mode. When I click it, you can read your document on the full screen. And if you want to go back to the previous screen, press escape, ESC, this key, escape. When I press it, it will show the previous screen. Now I am going to use the zoom group of View tab. When I click on the zoom, you can see the option of 200%, 100% and 75%. When I click on the 75% and click OK, you can see my document is on 75% view. Now the second option is zoom your document to 100%. When I click on it, you can see my document is on 100% view. Now come to the exercise class. Today we are going to cover question number 3. What is meant by zoom? Differentiate between zoom in and zoom out. Its answer is on page number 83. Key point number 8. Zoom means to change the view of document so as to magnify or shrink it MS Word 2010 provides two zoom features, zoom in and zoom out. Zoom in makes the text or image larger. Zoom out makes text or image smaller. Now question number 4. What is the use of print layout view? Its answer is on page number 51. Print layout view. Standard documents such as letter, reports or memos are often written and edited in print layout view. One advantage of working in this view is what a user sees is what he gets. You have to learn these two questions. Take care of yourself, class. Allah Hafiz.